Good morning, everyone. A happy Saturday. It's a rainy day today, but that's okay. Perfect day to do a video on a 2024 Sport Wrangler. Look at these seats. They're absolutely beautiful. I just want to go over some of the changes here inside. Look at the screen. It's massive. On the dashboard, you actually have off-road pages. Under controls, you can actually check the backup camera. Okay. And then we're going to go into settings. So just gonna try to do it this way. Okay, so there's my settings. Safety. I wanted to point out they have so many safety features on this. Automatic braking, so your forward collision warning, active braking is on there. You got your blind spot monitoring, you got your hill start assist, your tire fill assist as well. This has heated seats, heated steering wheel as well, remote start for sport. That's incredible. We got apps here, so we can get to things many different ways. We can click up here, we can get to our heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can actually, if there's two drivers, you could be a driver number one. It saves all your stuff on the screen. And driver number two, if their stuff was different, then it will save theirs as well, which is wonderful. So I just wanted to show you, this is an incredible upgrade. So then you got your SOS and assist that you would have for a year as well. So your home screen, you can make this anything. So I just wanted to show you the difference there. But heated seats, heated steering wheel, you got power windows, power doors for sport. That's incredible. Give me a call. I got a great lease on this one.